welcome again. I'm going to be at Algerian fast food restaurant. Let's see how it goes. I am with my friend Wahab from Africa. Wahab,
Yo.
how
Let's
are you
check it out.
expecting?
Well, I'm a little bit excited to taste at least different delicious,
Okay.
because I have really had a lot about it.
Okay.
Let's just try it out.
Okay,
and see.
let's go and try how it goes. And we are going to try Algerian fast food. Let's go and see how it goes. Come on. So we have the menu. Let's go and see how it goes.
هكذا ديدو
اوكي خلاص مشات ما كانت مشكله
فيها خير
ان شاء الله خير
كاش ما يكون ولا
اتصل بالحصه
يتصل
420
420 هيا ديدو
انا عاشور اللي معاه سيريو والله غادي يوقف معاه هذا نعرفوا عاشور
انا ما عرفتش نتمنى كيف
راك سمعت قالت له ما حبيتش نعطوه
عنده مشاكل
عنده مشاكل معاه
عنده مشاكل
حار
سبايسي
Yeah, spicy. More and more spicy.
زيد له
Thank you.
ديدو بون كوراج
اوكي ميرسي
هي ديدو
And Wahab, which one do you want to eat?
سي يو جايز السلام عليكم
Walaikum salam. Thank you. Shukran.
I don't know.
Which
French
one?
tacos.
French tacos? I'm eating French tacos. You can taste mine. Maybe you should go for something else.
I don't know. So which one do you prefer?
Which one is going to be the best for you? French tacos? No. French tacos. Yeah, for me, I like French tacos the most.
Okay,
But-
very good
yeah. Well, it looks like I'm going for the French tacos.
Okay.
Let me go for the French tacos.
Okay.
Listen.
hey spicy
Spicy.
listen
And can I ask which country's fast food is this? Algerian?
Algerian
MashaAllah. And how do they say French tacos in Algerian language, in Arabic? They say tacos as well?
yeah Algerian very good
Oh.
bon appétit
Thank you. Bon appetit. So this is going to be my first time trying French tacos.
Okay.
Algerian.
Yeah. Is it nice? Wow. Very
One
nice.
for me as well. Let's try for you.
This is my first time eating French tacos.
Okay, let's see how it goes for you.
Yeah.
How did you find it? Good?
Very good.
Okay.